This is perfect. And now we're gonna add the lime or lemon. Hi guys, I'm back here at home after walking exercise, going to the park, and now I'm gonna show you the head of codfish that I bought. It's $37.99, so it's like $38 already. So 2 pounds because oh no, it's not 2 pounds. It's per pound is like $10, so it's like almost 4 pounds, guys. One head of fish, $37.99, so $38, guys. See, codfish, it's very nutritious, the codfish, and we're gonna make a codfish sinigang. Of course, another ingredients, and this one also the malunggay or moringa leaves. It's only how many tangkay? 8 pieces small stem of malunggay or moringa. It's $4, $3.99. So it's equivalent $4 already plus tax. So all of this has tax. This one, $38 plus tax. It's gonna be like $40. And okra, it's $308. 1 pack. And my favorite, oysters mushroom. It didn't say the price here, but I know it's like $3.50. This one. And we got lime, $1 each. See guys, that's how it's expensive here in Canada. And the total of my shopping today is like, this is 38 and then plus how much I pay on the counter, because I pay cash for the fish and then plus I pay separate for the other groceries, and I got a lot of langkwas, lemongrass in English, langkwas in Bicol. Some of these I'm gonna plant it, but some I'm gonna dry it because I'm making bar soap out of lemongrass, guys. So, and expensive, guys, $3. 3 pieces, $3. So that's how it's expensive here in Canada, guys. We cannot grow properly lemongrass here in Canada because of the winter and it's snow. It's died on snow. So it's nice if we have a greenhouse, but because I'm renting an apartment, I don't have a greenhouse here. Apartment is too tight, too small. And I got dandelion. I planted dandelion just now. See guys, this is dandelion. I get it from the park. Ayan o. So I planted here because I'm gonna harvest that and I'm gonna make tea out of the leaves and flowers. So we're gonna start. I have to, work on the moringa leaves and what else? Some of vegetables that I'm gonna put on sinigang. So codfish sinigang. Maghimay-himay ang ating malunggay kasi magagawa tayo ng codfish sinigang. 8 pieces small stem of malunggay is $4. So it's like 50 cents each stem. And this stem, I'm gonna blender this and I'm gonna water to the plants. Or I'm gonna dry it and make it organic fertilizer. Malalambot pa ang ang mga dahon, guys, kasi baby pa yung malunggay. Mas maganda sana yung mga matitigas na kasi mas marami ng yung nutrients. Pero same pa rin ang nutrients dito. Tingnan mo na, nababali eh. Nababali yung yung maliliit na stem, yung branches. Yung mga sanga-sanga ng ng malunggay kasi nga ayun, tingnan niyo Maano pa siya, baby pa yung leaves niya. So I don't know how many grams this one. I'm gonna try to weight it. How many grams? The $4 malunggay kasi $3.50 plus tax, so $4. So here in Canada, you always have to pay anywhere when you buy, even in the restaurant, you always have to pay 12% tax. GST 7%, PST 5%, sorry. Either way, GST or PST, it's $12 in total. See guys, dalawang tax ang binabayaran nyo dito, PST and GST. Malambot oh. I think more or less 150 grams or maybe 100 grams itong ating
pag press pa siya. Pero pag ito ay na-dry na, hindi na siya ano, mga 50 grams na lang. Yan, yung 150 grams, pag na-dry yan, magiging 50 grams na lang yan. Yan, tatanggal natin yan kasi. So, maano yun sa lalamunan, it's gonna choke you, this thing. So, masabit sa lalamunan natin yan, yung mga tangkay-tangkay na maliliit ng malunggay. Pero pag nagmamadali ako, hindi ko na yung tinatanggal, inunguya na lang ng gusto. Yan. So, hindi naman guys ako nagmamadali. Yung mga baby pa okay lang yun, manalambot pa yun eh. Ito lang na medyo matigas-tigas na ang tanggalan natin ng mga... So, matrabaho talaga guys ang maggawa ng malunggay. Kasi iisa-isahin nyo yung tanggalan. Oh. Ito, gagawin natin yung pang fertilizer sa halaman. Kasi may mga tanim na akong halaman. I planted some plants already. I planted a sunchoke. It's coming out already, the sunchoke, the Jerusalem artichoke. And what else I have outside? I planted ang dalayon. Yeah, trabaho. That's why some people, they don't like making a dish of malunggay because of work. It's like you're doing too much work. Doing the leaves of moringa. Yeah. Here in Canada, malunggay or moringa is very expensive, but in the Philippines, we have a malunggay tree and we eating this almost every day in the Philippines. We make different dishes of this. Ginataang malunggay, palupsag sa natok or gata. We make this with dinding or mix vegetables. And then one of my favorite dish of malunggay is pagi. Kinunot na pagi or kinunot na pating. Pating is whale. So we eat a baby whale back home in the Philippines. It's very delicious. That's the best seafood with moringa. I miss that. Hopefully next time I went back home I can have that again. It's very rare nowadays because you know it's banned to catch the shark. But here in Canada, the shark fin in the restaurant, it's very expensive also. The shark fin soup here in Canada, you can find that in a Chinese restaurant. I'm not sure which restaurant. Ito baby pa napuputol, so okay lang yan. So guys, abutin tayo ng siyam-siyam dito pa lang sa pagtatanggal ng mga ano, sanga-sanga nitong malunggay. Madami pa, kaya lang tinatamad na ako eh. Pwede ko naman tumuyain ng gusto. Maganda lang to guys kapag wala kang ginagawa sa bahay. Ako kasi ang dami ko pang gagawin eh. Kailangan ko maglinis na naman ng bahay kasi dadating si Habi. Si aking Habi, ang gagaling ng US. So, 2 days lang siya dito, then babalik ulit siya ng US. Marami akong kalat guys kasi ang dami kong ginagawa na mga project. Yung nagagawa ako ng sabon, nagagawa ng yung mga eczema salve, and or balm, eczema balm, arthritis balm, ano pa. Saka yung mga anti-aging na oils. Tapos ngayon, ang aking new project naman ay making candles. So, yan na naman ang gagawin ko na susunod. May ingredients na ako. So, I need a whole day guys to prepare and get ready for the candle making. Kasi kailangan malinis ang aking area sa paggagawa. So, kaya lilinisin ko muna ang aking area. Kahit makalat ako guys, naglilinis naman ako niyan. Iba kasi yung kalat sa madumi, okay? Ba sabihin niyo dahil makalat, madumi na hindi. At saka ako malinis ako sa mga pagluluto guys. Ako diyan sa yung at saka ang lutuan ko pati ay the best, salad master. Sa paghihimay pa lang inabot na tayo ng siyam-siyam dito. Abutin tayo ng maghapon ito. Kung mabagal ka maghimay, nako. Abutin ka lang ng maghapon.
We're gonna start the cooking. So, all the ingredients are here. Of course, ang ating giant codfish. The main ingredients. Codfish, sinigang. The rest of the ingredients, okra, celery, ginger, onions, and garlic. 4 pieces tomatoes. And oysters, mushroom. And also we're gonna add some pichay or bok choy. And my favorite, of course. Tapos ko nang himayin, moringa. So, moringa. Let's do the tambak-tambak system. So, this is sinigang na walang tubig. It's like a sour soup without using water. So, first, we're gonna add our onions, ginger, and garlic. Tomatoes. And then, hopefully, it's gonna fit my big fish. Yan. Uy. Ibukahin natin siya. Nakahiwa naman siya, guys. Kaya lang, bukahin natin. Ito yung intestine. I flip up and, upside down and I wash it properly. And then, we gonna add our mushroom. I like oyster mushroom, guys. See, guys, I don't add any water on it. And then, our moringa. Yan. Sayang, mahal ng moringa. Lagay natin lahat ng... Ayun, dumidikit, oh. Malinis naman ang ating counter kasi kakapunas ko lang yan. So, sayang kasi, guys. At saka, ako lang naman ang kakain. I am the only one who gonna eat it. My friend coming today, so she can have my sinigang na walang tubig. So, ayan, puno na siya, guys. So, tambak-tambak system lang yan, guys. At, syempre, lagyan natin ito. Yan. So, that's how I cook healthy and very delicious sinigang. Ano pa? Baka may nakalimutan pa ako. So, that's it. So, magsishrink naman siya. It's gonna be shrinking later. So, that's fine. And, later, we're gonna add lime or lemon. So, I might gonna use a lemon. So, ito, ibabalik natin sa fridge. And, of course, we're using MP5 Salad Master Cookware. MP5 multi-purpose 5 quarts. So, 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And, salpak na natin yan. And, it will be cooked in 15 to 20 minutes. You don't need to stir. You don't need to open it because every time you keep opening and stirring on your food while it's cooking, it's evaporating. You're losing all the nutrients and ingredients. So, in Salad Master, when we cook, when it's click, turn to low heat, and it's still gonna be boiling. So, this is 450 degrees Fahrenheit, is only medium heat. How you gonna get the degrees Celsius of 450 degrees Fahrenheit? 450 minus 30, it's become 420. Divide by 2. So, 420 divided by 2, so you know the answer already, guys. That's the degrees. That's why it's only medium heat when you are cooking in Salad Master. Medium to low heat, that's how you preserve the nutrients and vitamins and minerals of the food, especially vegetables when you are cooking. Don't ever cook in a high heat. When you cook in a high heat, you kill all the nutrients and minerals of the food that your body needs it. That's why the best cookware in the world, Salad Master. So, if you want Salad Master, you can message me, leave a comment below on my videos, and I can get back to you as soon as possible. So, if you don't have Salad Master yet and you want to have it, please message me on my Facebook page as well, Merlinda Moraleja. So, that's my name on my Facebook. So, we're gonna wait 15 to 20 minutes and we have the best and very nutritious and very delicious sinigang, codfish sinigang without using water. So, and I'm gonna show you when it's cooked how it's gonna have water. I'm gonna explain to you also how we get water or soup after we cooking everything without adding anything. So we call it tambak-tambak system, or in English, put all together all your ingredients and let the Salad Master pots or cookware cook it for you. So no pot watching. That's why you save a lot of time. So while you are cooking, you can do a lot of things inside your house when you have a Salad Master cookware. This is a very big help to your home, to your kitchen, especially us, mother, parents. If we have Salad Master, that's the best one. The best helper in our kitchen, especially when we're doing cooking. So let it cook, and we have to wait 15 to 20 minutes. So now it's clicking already for a couple minutes. So let it boil for another 5 minutes, so the fish is gonna be cooked well because the fish is big. So it's only like 12 minutes, guys, and then it's clicking like that already. So let's add another 2-3 minutes to exactly become 15 minutes. See, guys, that's the brain of our cookware. It's letting you know that it's cooking already or almost cook your sinigang na walang tubig or codfish sinigang without using water. So it's been clicking for a long time. Let's try and check it out if it's really cooked already. Oh my God, look at that, guys. Nagkasabaw siya. Oh, wow. So it's cooked already. So, see, guys, oh, we didn't add any water, but look, there's a soup on it. You know why? And the vegetable is not soggy. It's really cooked perfectly. See, guys, oh, after 15 minutes. Wow. So let's try the soup. Oh my God, this is so good. You know where the soup came from? It came from tomatoes, pork tomatoes, from the fish, from the vegetable, okra, bok choy, onions, garlic, ginger. It's creating moisture, and that's how it gets a soup. Look at that, guys. See? Oh, I'm gonna put closer the camera so you can see it, guys. Look at the soup, guys. See? It's still boiling. Even I turned it off already, guys. It's still boiling. See? Ayan o. Kalahati ang sabaw niya. See? I removed already the fruit. It's still boiling. Even I removed the fruit. Wow. This is perfect. And now, we're gonna add the lime or lemon. I'm gonna get, I think lime is fine. We're gonna add the lime. If you don't have lime, you can use lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use calamansi. But make sure that the calamansi you're gonna use is enough. So I'm gonna use the whole lime. Ayan. So hindi siya makasaid. Ang gagawin natin ay gagamitin pa natin ang kutsara para makuha pa yung more juices. Ayan. So you always add the lemon, lime, or calamansi when it's turned off already or cooked already and you're about to eat to make it save the vitamin C. Now, we're not gonna stirring it, guys, because I don't wanna make soggy the vegetable. So what we gonna do ay, para hindi tumalsik yung ano, yan. Shake, shake, shake it, baby. Shake, shake. Body, body dancer today. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, na-shake na yung ano. Diba? May kasamang sayaw para mas masarap ang sinigang. O, ayan, nahalo na yan. So, tikman uli natin after na-shake natin. So, I use different spoon. You can see, guys, I used before the gold one, and now I use the silver one. Oh my God, this is perfect. Oh my God, the best sinigang ever. The best and healthy sinigang. Time to eat. So, I'm waiting for my friend because she's coming. So, we're gonna eat together. Diba? I'm gonna wait for her. But, you know guys, I really wanna try the fish. I'm gonna use different spoon. A fork. I like the okra. And you can see the okra guys, so it's half cooked, it's not saggy. That's why I don't cut the okra. And bok choy. At yung mushroom. Kunti lang. Mag-try lang ako guys kasi I'm waiting for my friend. My friend is on the way already. So I got the fish, a little bit vegetable. I'm gonna wait for my friend. Ayan. Diba? Ito yung fish, codfish. It's very nutritious fish. You do research guys. What are all the nutrients from codfish? C-O-D, codfish. You know the codfish, it tastes like a meat. Sarap. Malinamnam po kasi ang codfish. That's why one of my favorite is codfish. Milkfish, codfish, and salmon. Malalaki ang tinik oh. Because it's a head. I like the eyes of the fish. It's so yummy. Sarap. I couldn't wait, my friend. This is tasting. When my friend come, then that's the time we gonna eat lunch. It's my breakfast in lunch, guys. I don't have breakfast. Because I went outside for walking exercises, then I bought, I saw the fish. I was planning only to buy lemongrass. But when I saw the codfish, very fresh. So I tempted to buy a fish. Sarap, no? That's it, guys. Grabe yung sarap. Ang sarap ng mushroom. My mushroom is, I use the organic oyster mushroom. Okra. Organic oyster mushroom. Ito yung malunggay, moringa. Grabe, sarap oh. The soup of sinigang, because we didn't add any water, is pure 100%, very nutritious. And of course, I'm gonna add black pepper later when my friend come here. Because this is for easy absorption of nutrients. Or I can put it right now. Dami guys, isang buong kaldero. 5 quarts. So my friend is coming. So that's why I'm waiting. So, that's a tasting. Tikim lang yung tikim. Ayan, ang ating sinigang na walang tubig. Oh, ang daming sabaw. Oh. Ayan, kain na.